Okay, let's talk about tago. Syempre sa
Okay.
edad mo na to, parang ako, if I were to be asked, 'di ba? Parang feeling ko yung tago, it means like nagtatago ka ng pagmamahal mo to someone kasi parang hindi
Yes.
pwedeng malaman.
Kind of like you're too scared na malaman niya. You know what I mean? Parang you really want to confess your feelings, you want to be with the person, but it's scary because you're scared of rejection or you don't want the friendship to end or hindi mo lang kayang umamin sa kanya.
Alam mo, feeling ko hindi lang yun sa mga kaedaran ni Sean eh, 'di ba? Kasi marami rin na kahit nasa tamang edad na, kahit ng iba very successful na eh.
Yeah.
Pero pagdating sa ganyang mga bagay-bagay, tama yung nabanggit mo, na may mga tao talaga na very, very much scared dun sa rejection, ganyan. Kasi parang, nasa akin na lahat, feeling ko, 'di ba? Pero bakit parang hindi niya pa rin ako gusto? Alam mo kung anong sagot?
What?
Kasi ang feeling mo. Malit! Kasi ang feeling ko nasa akin na, feeling mo lang yon. Maybe you're not feeling well. Hindi, sorry. Pero totoo yan. Pero hindi ako makarelate. Kasi ako parang lahat nung napagsabihan ko, parang nag-reply naman.
Wow.
Wow.
Good for you.
Siyempre, di ba?
Yeah,
Di ba?
yeah.
May pachika. Charing! Oo, yan. Pero yun, ito ba is based on your experience? Kasi syempre, di ba, when you're a singer-songwriter, ikaw yung nagko-compose ng mga ginagawa mo, maganda yan na nailalahad mo ng maayos talaga yung mga wordings.
Yes.
Yes.
It's the first song naman I wrote that's from personal experience. But I don't like
Nakikinig
to
nanay
get,
mo.
I don't like to get into detail kasi nga itatago ko na lang.
Yay.
We gotta hide it. Sorry guys.
Yun na lang.
Secret.
Bawal sabihin.
Yeah, well, wag na.
Papagalitan ka. Papagalitan ka.
Yeah.
For sure nakikinig siya, no?
For sure.
Nakaabang siya.
For
Tingnan ko
sure.
nga. I-chat naman ako niyan eh. Sasabihin naman yan, Mare, sige na, ipilitin mong sumagot.
Oh my God,
Ayan.
but yes.
Oo.
Tago,
Tago is, a story about...
it's honestly, I wrote it when I was 13. You know what I mean? When you're young, when you have a little crush, it's so scary to confess your feelings. Or kahit nga ayaw mo na i-confess yung feelings mo, yung parang, ay naku, tatago ko na lang. You know, that's how I wrote it. And also, Tago is the first Tagalog song that I wrote because I'm more used to writing in English because
Kasi nga,
it's my
syempre,
first
diba?
language.
Oo.
Kaya I challenged myself din, I should write a song in Tagalog para, some Filipinos can relate to it. And,
Narinig niya na to?
Alin, the Tago? Yeah, sorry, okay, si Mommy? Or, wait, who are you talking about?
Your mom.
Yeah, my mom. Yeah, I made her listen to it first. And she really, really loves it. Kaya, support siya talaga sa pag-release.
And I'm sure she's super duper proud of you.
Yeah, she is.
Diba? Kasi
I
syempre,
mean,
diba, hindi niya kayang gawin yan eh. Charing.
hindi, pero naamin naman niya that she's really impressed na I can write my own songs kasi siya hanggang, singing lang naman talaga yung pinaka-forte.
Tsaka acting.
Singing and acting yun nga. Pero, yeah, na-impress talaga siya that, her daughter can write
Yes,
songs. So,
totoo.
yun. Kaya, mega support siya sa akin when it comes to releasing music.
Totoo. And then yung other song is Ang Labo Mo.
Yes.
So, ibig sabihin ba niyan, para ba itong magka-connect or it's a different ganap? Kasi parang, ako again if I were to assume, wow, assumera kasi ako eh. Yan. Kung i-assume ko siya, parang feeling ko, nagtago ka ng feelings mo towards someone. Wow, may towards someone.
Yes.
O, diba? Hindi lahat kayang gamitin yung ganong nakakapagdikit-dikit ng sentences, diba? Yes. Nagtatago ka para dun sa feelings mo dun sa someone. Tapos, parang feeling ko nakapag-usap kayo, pero nag-uusap na kayo, nalabuan ka sa kanya kasi parang hindi mo siya maintindihan.
Pwede din naman yun.
Oh!
But the meaning of ang labo is like, getting confused, like mixed feelings from the person that you like. Na parang like magkaibigan lang ba kayo? Are you more than friends? Are you just friends? So parang nalabuan ka na what you guys are.
Oh.
Yes.
How young are you?
16.
16. Alam mo, normal lang yun sa mga bagets. Sa 16 yung magkaroon ng mga crush, teeny bopper na mga eksena, diba?
True,
Pero you're
true.
not rushing things dapat, ha?
Yes, no. But I want to say lang that ang labo is not my personal experience,
Ah.
but it's my mom's friend's experience.
Talaga?
Yes, she kwento it to us and I was like, mommy was like, sulatan mo to ng kanta kasi ang
Sabi
labo.
ng nanay mo?
Yes,
Oh
and then I
my
wrote it
God.
for her. So
Oh,
yun.
narinig na nung someone,
Narinig na.
nung kaibigan ng mama mo.
Yeah.
Anong sabi?
Ay, no, I meant my mom's friend pala nakarinig, but the other person, no, not Not
Yung
yet.
mom's friend mo, anong sabi?
Oh, she really, really likes it. Before ko pa na-release actually, like yung guitar pa lang siya, she really liked the song. Kasi sabi niya, wow, that's like exactly my situation. So parang, I really like na nagawan ko siya ng kanta. And if she can relate to it, I'm sure others can relate to it as well. Kaya, I'm really happy that it's out there. So kung nalalabuan kayo sa situation nyo with your crush, ay nako, stream ang labo.
Totoo.